the chiller. And this is the freezer. So messy.
모든 것이 멈췄으면 우리 둘만 Oh baby you are my shining star
2,000 years later.
그대만 보여요 그대만 들려요 Baby you are my everything 그대만 느껴요 다시 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 눈은 뜨지 마요 그대 그대만 보여요 그대만 들려요 그대만 느껴요 멈추지 마요 Do it do it too 짜릿하게 떨려와 가끔은 나도 샤이한 걸 말하지 않아도 I'll fall in love 이 순간 모든 것이 너였으면 우리 둘만 Oh baby you are my shining star 그대만 보여요 그대만 들려요 Baby you are my everything 그대만 느껴요 다시 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 눈은 뜨지 마요 그대 달콤한 내게 Do it true 살랑 불어오는 네 향기도 콩닥거리는 내 심장도 입 맞추고 싶은 밤인걸 Oh baby you are my shining star 그대만 보여요 그대만 들려요 Baby you are my everything 그대만 느껴요 다시 1
Hello everyone, this is KimMarie again. Welcome or welcome back to our YouTube channel. Hello everyone, I hope everyone is doing fine, doing great. For today's video, actually I am eating a fresh salmon. The half of the salmon that I ate yesterday. So it's past 2 o'clock now in the afternoon, and I'm still waiting for my kids to arrive from daycare center. And there's nothing special today, but yesterday I had a chance to clean the refrigerator, so I'm thinking to show it to you what's inside our refrigerator. So yan, ayan, samahan niyo ako. By the way guys, if you're new here and you haven't subscribed yet, you may consider subscribing. And yeah, ayan, I'm so excited. Wanted to share it with you what's inside. So yeah, samahan niyo ako. So we have a 2-door refrigerator, and it has a window, small window like this. Then you can see what's inside there. Actually, yesterday I took a video or a photo of our refrigerator and what it looks like. It's a mess, really mess. So yeah, it's an ordinary refrigerator. This one is the chiller, and this is the freezer. So, ayan. Let's start with the chiller. Here are the snacks of my kids. And then, here also, the juice, the milk, and some of the sauce. Because butter. Some of the sauce also. And this one is, I don't know, I forgot the name. And then I have some medicines and vitamins and medicine for my kids. Lots of them. I have here current snacks. My kids love this. And yeah, snack also. And I have here face masks. Ayan, anda. Hindi ko pa na-open yung iba. Down is some of the I use for cooking. This one is Kimchi, or I forgot the name. Ayan, lots of them because my mother-in-law used to give me lots of them. And then some raisins, and then sauce, and then what do you call this, chili powder, some dried mushrooms. Ayan. Here are the vegetables and fruits. I have mangoes, and ayan, apples. Some of the, oh my god, chopped vegetables I prepared. Ayan. And then I have potatoes here. Here are the cheese, and then curries, curry powder, and there are it's a homemade strawberry jam, and some of the, ayan, it's, the refrigerator is making a sound if it's open long time. So here are the some drinks, and it's very healthy drinks. And this one also. And then sagwa extract, the honeys, and meshil, or homemade meshil extract. And then this one, it's a fresh salmon also. Some of the teriyaki sauce, and the steak sauce, ketchups, and there are the Kim wrap. Some of the cereals for my kids, and iced tea. This one is a homemade meshil. I don't know. My mother-in-law gave that to me. And my homemade strawberry, what do you call this? I'm gonna shake it later. And then fresh sagwa, apple. This one is a pork meat. I have here, this one is the, here 2 pieces, and dubu or tofu, my minced garlic, it's very important, and some of the inano na to ni Oma, binigay to sa akin ni Oma yesterday. It's already, it's a vegetable. And ito yung meat na iluluto ko later. And this one also. And then I have milk. Beef curry. My kids loves beef curry. And then this one is udon. I love making spaghetti or white and red sauce spaghetti. I have here for the pasta cooking noodles. Ayan. And then here on the top, here are the I have here homemade pasta. Ayan. Usually, I don't prepare many panchan or side dishes. So, kasi si husband ko lang naman ang nakain usually. So, napapanis lang. So, eto lang yung side dishes ko. Ayan. I have just few of side dishes. And what else? Nothing more. Ayan. So, let's go to the freezer. As you can see, I have lots of frozen vegetables. I have frozen mushrooms, frozen broccoli, frozen what else? This one is frozen mushroom also. I have there are cheese, a mozzarella cheese over there. And I have celery here. I have frozen minced garlic. This one is frozen castañas. Frozen castañas. Okay. Kasi I wanted to, when I'm cooking, I want it ready, always ready to prepare. So I have these spring onions. No. It's a shigumchi or spinach. This one is a large fish, and this one are the kugi or the chicken, pork, meat, and then this one is a paprika and tomatoes. There is a sausage over there. Yeah, it's once again, I'll try to close it. And here, this one, it's a shrimp paste. No, it's not a shrimp paste, but it's like a alamang in Tagalog. Salted shrimp, small shrimp. Mushroom also, because I love mushroom. This one is frozen tomatoes. And I have there lots of tok. Ayan. It's so many toks there. And this one is, what do you call this? I don't know. It's a fish. I have here easy to cook. I forgot. I'll just write it in the screen. And this one is tomato also, the green onions. This one is a tomato also because I love tomatoes. And here are another milchi. And this one is a frozen luya or ginger. I have here frozen garlic. This one. I have here cheese sticks and tok and frozen This one is frozen strawberries. I have here beef, and this one also beef. What else? There are the frozen ginger also. Lots of them. It's very important. Here we froze ginger and garlic. This one are tok for rice soup, rice cake soup. Ayan, it's very famous here in Korea. I have lots of them here. Frozen ginger for ginger tea. I'm making ginger tea, and then we have here. I have here frozen, I think, onions, spring onions. I chopped it already, mince, and lots of them. And then this one are frozen mushroom also. And then I have here tok and frozen green onions. And this one is a ice maker. And down is the meats, frozen meats. Ayan, frozen beef, meats. Ayan, frozen. Then I think frozen strawberries also. Frozen strawberries. And I also have frozen jujubes. Ayan. This one is frozen pork meat. And I have here, down are the fishes. Lots of fishes, frozen fishes. I have here frozen, what do you call this? Halaba. And then we have fish here, lots of fishes over here. And I already packed it this style. Ayan, para if I wanted to prepare, I'll just get one and defroze it, and yeah, it's ready to cook. Here are the ice pack. I prepare ice pack also. Frozen ginger. This one is a frozen pork also, I think. I have here milkshake, frozen vegetables, and then another one, it's alamang also. And then I have here sausage or hot dog. Me and my kids love it. And I have here frozen chili pepper, frozen chestnuts. Oh, this one is frozen, I don't know. And then here are the ice creams. And then I have here chicken nuggets, spiced chicken drumsticks. I have here sausages like this. Ayan. And cheddar cheese. Lots of cheddar cheese. And this one, it's a medicine for stomach ache. It's a traditional medicine here for when you have a problem with your stomach. Yeah. And that's it. And I'm just proud of myself because I finally cleaned this for, I think it's a very long time since I have cleaned this refrigerator. Yeah, so that's it. A facial masks, and yeah, that's it. It's the kimchi nenjanggu or kimchi chiller. It has a two Yeah, it's all kimchi's in here. Lots of kimchi's. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then these are Hongsam trays also. Lots of them. Some kimchi's. All kimchi in here. So this is the laundry machine. Okay, so you've seen what's inside our refrigerator, and right now I'm waiting for my kids to arrive. It's past 3 o'clock now in the afternoon, and this is the CCTV outside, and I'm just checking on them here, and yeah, I think that's it for today. I also clean the I tried to arrange the shoes a while ago, and yeah, still I haven't finished yet. Yeah. That's off. Yeah. Sinipag ako ngayon maglinis, so ayan, medyo nag-inarrange ko rin yung itong buong place. Ayan. So medyo maayos na, mas maayos na compared past few days. Yeah, and oh no. So the weather today is very, very nice. It's sunny and a little cold, but yeah. The spring started already, so yeah, it's a beautiful day today. Ayan. Oh, tekbewan eh. Ayan, may tekbeng dumating or delivery. Ayan guys, so I think that's it for today, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And thank you for leaving a thumbs up for this video. So yeah, if you are new here, once again, you may consider subscribing. And yeah, I'll see you again next time, and I'll see you on your channels. Bye. Keep safe, everyone. So my kids, alright. My kids are here, and hi. 괜찮아?
엄마
어.
또 두꺼비 왔어요.
두꺼비 봤어? 뭐야? 몇 개? 몇 마리?
나한 개.
한 개? 한 마리? 아이고, 피곤한 것 같다.
아니야.
피곤해?
아니야. 이게
오늘
뭐예요?
재밌었어, 얘들?
엄마 이게 왜요?
벗어. 이거 봐. 택배 왔어.
아빠 나 신발.
신발,
이거
맞아.
뭐예요? 에?
에?
우와. 이 뭐야?
아, 잘한다.
아 뽁뽁이다 뽁뽁이.
뽁뽁이 맞아.
엄마. 누나.
Alright.